Hi guys, this is your flower girl Shelly. Today I am working with Salvia. This is called Purple Volcano. And here are where you'll find the seed heads. And inside, each one has a seed or 3 in it, in each seed pod. So what I like to do is I just get my cup or whatever it is and I'm dropping them in just right at the ready, because as you can see I'm just barely moving those and they're falling out. So real important to catch these for yourself before the wind gets to them, because the breezy days will just knock these out like in no time at all. So that's why I come out like several times during the day and check the progress of each one, because they don't all mature at the same time. And so it's an ever-changing garden throughout the year, which is why gardening is so fun. So anyway, so I go through the whole jimmy here and just collect them. And then, let's see. So this, I just repurposed a label, but so I started the first collection, actually it was July 18th, so it's since sent up new shoots, so have all kinds of goods to look forward to. So that is it for today.